What do you have? You gonna measure something? Ouch. You gotta be careful. It goes back fast. Why are you pulling it out so far? Are you doing that on purpose? No? Is that a big accident? No? What are you doing? Where are you going?
I go through there.
You're going through there.
Yeah.
Why?
'Cause,
Is it a hiding spot?
yeah.
What hides over there?
Miles.
Miles hides over there.
Yeah.
Does Monroe hide back there?
No.
No. Does Wit?
No.
Does Mommy?
No.
Does Daddy hide there?
No.
No, Daddy doesn't hide. Where does Daddy hide?
Hide here.
Yeah. Ouch. What are you doing?
Ow.
Would you like some help with that?
No.
No? You're just going to keep doing it? Where'd you go?
I'm hiding.
Okay. Should I come find you?
Yeah. I go through there.
I don't think you're going to fit.
I through there.
Yeah, if you try that, you'll break the lamp. The table will fall over.
No.
Be careful. Out. Are you ready to go build something?
No.
What are you doing? Do you want me to fix it? You're gonna fix it? Okay. I'll fix it.